Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new KTM 2023 RC8C with more power and tech. So make sure to watch the full video. More fun in the form of 135 horsepower. KTM entered the MotoGP Premier class in 2017. Without a flagship sport bike in its supersport lineup, Team Orange didn't have a production model to champion its Grand Prix innovations. That's until the 2022 RC8C hit the scene with MotoGP-derived tech and aesthetics. The limited run, track-only model promised Moto2-style power and agility. But KTM isn't resting on its past achievements with the revised 2023 RC8C. The fully faired sport bike shares the same engine with the 890 Duke platform. But the Austrians take special measures with the race-ready variant. In the 2022 RC8C, the LC8C engine cranked out 128 horsepower, compared to the 890 Duke's 119 horsepower. The 2023 edition ups the ante with 135 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 72.3 pound-feet of torque at 8,250 revolutions per minute. KTM achieved those figures by installing lighter titanium valves and conrods, a larger throttle body, and an upgraded fuel pump. Two piston rings optimize the rotating masses, while a higher compression ratio squeezes every ounce of performance out of the parallel twin engine, offsetting those performance gains with extra durability. The brand also removed the top balance, fine-tuned the crankcase balancer shaft, enhanced the clutch preload, and adopted a Pankel oil cooler. The RC8C still boasts a CRM04 steel frame, but the WP Apex Pro fork and shock now offer more supple configurations for additional feel and feedback. A new titanium Acropovic exhaust system also streamlines the track weapons form. In all, the 2023 RC8C actually gains nearly 5 pounds on its predecessor, coming in with a dry weight of 142 kilograms, 313 pounds. Still, KTM readies the supersport scalpel for battle on the track with an adjustable steering head, CNC machine triple clamps with offset, superbike-worthy Brembo-style calipers, and an RCS19 Corsa Corta master cylinder. The GP Shift Quick Shifter Plus caters to racers and track riders' preferences, while the GPS-equipped dashboard and KTM RC16-inspired handlebar switches put the RC8C's traction control, power maps, and engine braking at the rider's fingertips. Available in a satin black finish with orange accents, KTM will produce 200 RC8C units in 2023. Each example will roll on Pirelli Diablo slicks and comes with its serial number stamped on the top triple clamp. The first 30 customers to secure a 2023 RC8C will earn the chance to receive the model at Spain's Circuito Ricardo Tormo on April 26, 2023. Former Grand Prix riders will offer coaching throughout the day, while the WP suspension technical crew adjusts the chassis to the rider's dimensions and riding style. KTM will handle accommodations, food, and bike transportation from Austria to Spain. Team Orange hasn't announced the 2023 RC8C's manufacturer's suggested retail price, but we anticipate it to eclipse the 2022 model's $38,999 list price. What do you think about the new KTM RC8C? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.